This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable food containers, specifically these Futura multi-compartment containers. We have several different sizes here for you. There is the 30-ounce 3-compartment, the 34-ounce 4-compartment. We have a 44-ounce 5-compartment, and also a 47-ounce option as well. And then there's the 51-ounce 6-compartment. And there's also a bowl that is 8 ounces. And it can work alone or in conjunction with some of these you see that have those nice round slots in them. The bowl will actually fit down in there. All of these containers are made of BPA-free plastic, and they include the great clear lids. The bowl can be used alone or in combination by popping it down in that slot on those compatible containers. And you can see it fits flush in there, even with its lid. And the lids for those containers will go down on top as well. And this is going to be great, especially if you're doing things like maybe a dessert you want to stay cold, or if you're doing a cold meal, but including something like a soup that people might want to heat up. It's going to keep it contained, keep it from spilling out, getting into any other compartments, and it's going to allow people to heat those items up separately if desired. So it's a nice, fantastic little companion that can be used in conjunction with these compatible containers, or can be added just alongside and on top as an extra. These containers are microwavable, making them perfect for heating up meals. And the plastic they're made from is recyclable, making cleanup a breeze. The clear lids they feature make identifying foods easy for both customers and employees, and really helps to prevent mix-ups. They're great for delivery and takeout, or the service of cafeteria-style meals, or for packaging up prepared meals, making them a fantastic option for caterers who are offering meal services. The tamper-evident break tab on these, you can see once that lid is down in place, there's a little tab there to break so that your customers can remove them. And they're nice and tight fitting as well. So you're going to get a great seal, and you also have a built-in tamper-evident packaging solution that's easy to use and allows your customers to know that they've received their meals unopened. The compartments are great for keeping your different foods separate, and these are a fantastic option for caterers, restaurants, food trucks, for cafeterias, and a variety of other food establishments, or just for doing things like food prep at home or taking your lunch to the office.